Sixth problem. If modulus of z minus 2 by z equal to 2, show that the greatest and the least value of z are root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. We want to find the least and greatest and the least value, okay, of z. Modulus of z we want to find here. Here in the problem it's given modulus of z minus 2 by z equal to 2 is there. Okay, so from this we can have this modulus of here z minus modulus of 2 by z less than or equal to modulus of z minus 2 by z equal to 2 here. Okay, from the previous thing we have the properties and it, so we can have this, and then we can separate the thing here. Modulus of z, we can take this modulus of z minus modulus of 2 by z less than or equal to 2 here. So we have two cases there. Okay, the first case I want to take this modulus of z as t. Here modulus of z as t here. So we can substitute here for the modulus z as t. We can have modulus of t minus 2 by t less than or equal to 2 here. Here we should put the modulus value there. Less than or equal to 2. And then I can write this as t minus 2 by t. Here we have 2. Isn't it? So I can take this as greater than minus 2 and less than, because plus or minus we have the values there. So I can take this as plus value, as less than, and minus value is here. Okay, take the LCM for these two. If we take LCM here, simplify here, we have t square minus 2t. We can take this 2 at this side there, it will be minus 2 there, less than or equal to 0. Even if you take this, we can have t square minus 2t, t square minus 2, and take cross multiply this t to the other side, it will be 2t. Take this 2t to left hand side, it will become minus 2t. So that we can have t square minus 2t minus 2 less than 0. Okay, first thing we want to write this one, t minus 2 by t greater than minus 2. From this I can write this as t minus 2 by t less than 2. Here this is a negative thing and here this is the positive thing. Okay, and then in the second case, we can have the t square minus 2t minus 2 less than 0. It's a quadratic equation, inequality, isn't it? We want to find the value of t here. So we can have that, we couldn't factorize that. So I want to use the formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So by substituting all the values, we have the value 1 plus or minus root 3. It's nothing but root 3 plus 1 or root 3 minus 1. I can have this root 3 minus 1 as the minimum value, and root 3 plus 1 is the greatest value, that is plus and that is minus there.